NSC in the place to be. NSC. Yeah guys, it's a me, NSC, in the motherfucking place to be. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, on this video I'm gonna show you a great thing. Yeah, a lot of people has asked me if I can show you how to repair a broken fan connector, and I wanted to do this video also a long time ago, but yeah, finally now I have took the time to do this video now. So yeah, we're talking here about this fan connector here. This adapter breaks very fast, okay, so you can damage it if you don't take care. So for the people that want to take the fan connector out here, on older PlayStation that was really running a lot years, this connector here gets, we can say, yeah, hot also with the time. And if you just push the cable up here without to holding this here, you will really get all this adapter out, okay, because it will break out, yeah, just like that, okay. And that's why I say, if you want to yeah, take this cable out, the fan connector, or we can say the fan cable, if you want to take the fan cable out, just hold with 2 fingers on this adapter here and just then push it up. Wait, yeah, okay. And you should know that, because if you don't do that, you will maybe break it like here. So I have repaired this a lot of times on this PlayStations, or we can say it's doesn't matter if it's the PlayStation 3, the Super Slim or the Fat Edition, this connector is on all models the same. So the other thing that I want to yeah, let you know, guys, you will need a screw drill like this here. It should be a screw drill that you can scratch the motherboard here, because you will really need to scratch it. I will yeah, later show you why. We will need to make here some new contacts, but yeah, the screw drill should be able to scratch the motherboard. Otherwise you can go also for a razor blade, okay? So yeah, you will need something to scratch the motherboard. It's up to you guys. You can use a razor blade, you can use a screw drill, yeah, it's up to you. So the other thing is, then you will need of course some solder stuff here. I don't know what's calling here in English, I don't know the name. But yeah, you will need some stuff like this, so you will be able to solder cable or whatever. Oh, come on guys, you know my English is not the best. Okay, the other thing that you need is solder past. Yeah, but I recommend you to use Amtech Flux. I got here inside some Amtech Flux, and this I use a lot of times because it's just great to work with. The other thing to clean all the work on the end is to use this stuff here. And I'm waiting off the focus. Now here we go. And with this you can finally, we can say, clean all the work that you have done. Okay, have I forgot something? Yeah, of course I forgot something. And here we go. You need also solder stuff like this here, solder station or whatever. And yeah, I think I have now told the most important for you guys. So the other stuff now that you should know, let's just take this away. On some, yeah, we can say on some PlayStations, on some motherboards, or on some other motherboards, these three contacts here are very much destroyed, we can say. I have saw, we can say, a lot PlayStations with this problem, and on some PlayStations this contact here was fully, we can say, out. Okay, just imagine this one here is just total broken like now, and the middle one maybe also. Okay, let's break this shit too here. Wait, I'm not sure if I will be able to do that here now, but somehow I will. Yeah, okay, just imagine like that. Here it's broken too. Okay, and the third one, you can imagine it's broken too. If not, it doesn't matter. I will try to break it here just for purpose, for you guys can see how I will fix this. Yeah, but this is another story. So here we go, we can break this stuff here, come on. So okay, this is a really destroyed PlayStation, like you can see now. This happens mostly to a lot of PlayStations. So yeah, really that destroyed, and you will need, yeah, we can say, to do the same thing that I will do now. But oh, come on, I'm not able now to break this one here, because on a lot of PlayStations this one here is broken too. So let me see. But finally, it's, yeah, it's not that matter. The most important is that I can show you what I mean. So if you have the rest here, you can see this rests here, you can just let it, or yeah, you can try to clean it. So the other thing now that you can understand what I mean, yeah, I got now much more focus for you guys, just so you will be able to understand what I mean. The first thing now is, you will need to know that this adapter comes here back. Okay, so on the PlayStations where these contacts are missing, you will need to get the contacts back, because now you can see the contact is still here, and here you got also two contacts, one here and here the second one, because they are from here. Okay, so the adapter, the most power, it holds this point and this point. These points here, these two, are holding this adapter. Okay, and the rest of the power is this three pins here, of course. Okay, so the other thing is now that you should know, you got here, you can see these small contacts. Wait, I will try to get my camera up, and then I will maybe be better to show you this. So wait, and now I'll get this over here. So yeah, the light is just disturbing now. I will put this under there. Alright, so now you can see that you got here, let me go down a bit. Yeah, I think so, it's great. So you got here two small contacts, wait, here, one here and one here. You see these two small balls, okay? These are contacts, okay? So we can say this is the one contact that goes up here. So at last we don't need this shit here that is up here. See that? You can really break it out, or you can just let it. You better let it, because you should not destroy some other parts here. Okay, so that's why you can let it, or now just for the video you can yeah, Yeah, try to break it out like me. And but it doesn't matter. So now it's out. Okay, so you can see now the contact it's broken, and this one here you must imagine normally it's broken too, but I can't get this out now. Why ever? It's really hard one, this one. Okay, what the fuck, man. I'm sorry. All right, doesn't matter. We can keep doing this also like that. Okay, the other contact, the contact on the middle, it's coming from here, from down. Okay, so the contact on the middle, we can say it's ground. Okay, because this is all this contact here over the PCB. Okay, so wait. Yeah, should be great. I try. Yeah, now it's better from the lights. Whoop. Here. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, now it's just perfect. And like I told, this contact in the middle here goes over the whole PCB, and the other contact that should be also broken on some PlayStations, this here is also broken. You can see here a really small, we can say, contact here. Okay, this one here, just this small line here. Okay, this small line. This is the contact of this third pin here on the right side. This small one, if you believe or not. So the most important for you guys is that you don't bring these two contacts together. Okay, this one here and this one, you should not solder them together. Wait, I will need some other stuff, you know. Yes, I got it. Okay. So here we go. Yeah, now it's better to show you this. This one here, you should not solder it together with this one. These are two different ways, okay? These are really two different ways. And you should not solder them together. So if you have this problem like I have now, you should now begin to scratch. One time you will need to scratch this side here, okay? Just scratch here a bit off here and scratch also a bit off here. So here we will need to do again the newer contacts for these parts here, okay? So, okay. The other thing is you can also turn on your soldering station or solder station and just solder this stuff out here. I will not just make my solder station on. And this one here, it's like I told, broken. Yeah, it's now from here. So like I told, you will need to scratch here. I will try to show you this. You will need to scratch this lac or whatever it calls, this paint here. Just scratch this paint out here. We need to make some contacts here now, okay? Here. Just do that just like me. NSC in the place to be. Alright, I think this should be enough now, okay? You can see it very great. We can go up here a bit more. The great thing is I'm watching through the camera because I can see a lot more. The zoom is so big now. That's just ever so. Alright. And then you can go here also and scratch here also. This is now just for you can see how you can do that perfectly. Not on some noob way. I'm talking here how you can do that perfectly. You could also use now just 3 cables and this would work too, you know, but I will show you now how you can do this really like it should be. So you see now we got here contact now and we got there contact. So you can do a bit more if you like, but this should be enough. Like I see, or like you can see, I just have used here my screw drill. So you can do that also. Alright, we got now here the 2 contacts that we have made yeah, by yourself, we can say. The other contact now is this one here. So mostly this contact is still there. And on the middle, this contact is also still there, and this one also. Okay, so we will now begin with we can say the hardest contact, and the hardest contact is really this small line here. Okay, and to not get a short circuit, we will just use, we can say, this small line here. Okay, so you will need to go over here and you will need to scratch this line here. Okay, I will do that. Like you can see this line now, you can see now the contact. So wait, maybe. Yeah, so should be good too. Alright, I will need something to pull this so much like I have it here now. Yeah, but it's too hard. I got nothing here that is so big. Wait, but so it's good too. Alright, let's do that like this. Yep, perfect. Alright, yeah. Alright, here we go. Again, you will need to scratch this small contact line here. And to do this, you will need really to solve very, very good. So if you have no skills, you should not do that, because this is really, we can say, a bit hard. But now you can see we got here a small contact. The other thing is also you can use a very, very small screw drill like wait, I got somewhere, just need to search it where I got it. Here I got it. Okay, here, look, this small screw drill, it's very, very small, like you can see. Okay, and you can go over here and just scratch this small point here. You see that? Just this one. Okay, you can go over there and just scratch it, but take care, because this one is the most important, or you can say the most dangerous contact. And yeah, wait, you can just use this like I told, but use better wait, the stuff like, yeah, we can say this one. Okay, then you can go over this contact here, and then you can turn it sometimes. Wait. So I already can see that the contact is coming. Otherwise, use whatever you can. Search at home some kind of small thing like here, you see that, and try to get you on this small point here contact. This is the most important. As long you have not scratched it, you will not be able to get here 100% contact. So here we go. I already can see that, and here the small ball, we can say, is now there. You see? This is exactly that what I wanted to show you. Okay? Take care that this small ball has not contact with this one and also not with this one. Okay, so if you have still this line over here, then you should scratch it over there, because here it's better for you to work also, you see. So, and don't scratch it too much, otherwise you will destroy this contact too. Okay, so yeah, here you can see it perfectly now. You see that? Okay, and you can also see here down, that's the best example. Here down now, you have also here scratch this side and you should not solder this contact with this together. This is really very important, okay? And you should remember that what I say, because if you got here a short circuit, this will not work, okay? And at last, you should go here for the middle one and scratch this too. So. Yep. All right. We got it now finally like I wanted. And now we will just bring the new salt, or we will make now new salt contacts. And that's why you will need now the flux. Now we will just add here some flux. So wait, here just a bit, there just a bit, here, here. Oh, I forgot the other one. So I forgot these two small contacts, but yeah, mostly you don't need to scratch it that much, because there are two small balls, two small circles, and you just need to scratch this small circle. So, okay. You will really need to work just perfectly, otherwise you will not be able to do that. So just, guys, please just do that if you have really patience, and if you have don't drink, if you have not drink too much coffee, otherwise you will, you know what I mean, you will be nervous. So here we go, just add some flux everywhere on this contact, and now we will begin to make us our new salt contacts, we can say. So here we go. All right, now you can see we got here our new salt contact. Okay, hope this is good for you guys, can see that. All right, the same, you go here and you do the same here too. All right, then you go over here and do the same here too. All right, and now the contact in the middle. Yep. And now this is the contact what I mean. You will now need to take really care, and that's why I say you can go over here now and just add, we can say here, some flux and salt here on this line here. You will need really need to take care that this line gets not contact over here, okay? I have warned you guys. Just take care that you get the salt over that contact. All right, the other thing that I wanted to say is, you will know, if you don't have this chance to salt on this contact, you will need to get you some IDE cables, okay? I will now look if I got here some IDE cables. Yeah, I got very smaller cables too here, and the IDE cables I got somewhere, but always when I need it I don't find it. Okay, but this doesn't matter. Yeah, I got one, let me see. Yeah, all right. Okay, back to topic. We got here now some IDE cables. Okay, these are some ATA IDE cables from old computers. Okay, I will not just put them here so you can see that. And here, look what it is. You know what it is? I think not. This is the sensor from some PlayStation 3 Fat editions for the, we can say, for the Blu-ray device. And these cables here are very, very thin, like you can see. You see that? So, okay, just look. All right, you can go now here, and you can now just take the red one or the black one. This is up to you, and you just cut it. Okay, wait, I will do this now. Here we go, and just cut a small piece, just like this. So then you can just pull the rest of the, we can say, of the yeah, plastic. You see that? Wait, sometimes you need to take care. It's a bit hard now, my fingernails. All right, I got it. See that? It's very, very hard to focus. Wow, you see that? It's so small. And now you just turn it a bit. And now you see that you will be able to fit this small contact in this small hole. Okay? Here you can just fit it inside. Otherwise, you take, like I told, the IDE cable, like this. And you can see now, we just have one small cable. And this is the best what you can use. And that's why I always use IDE cables. So, wait. Now, I will try to get this here inside the hole, because mostly they fit in. You can see, I will now, here I'm in, you see. But on this one, I'm not sure if I will be able to fit in. But if not, I will show you now something. Okay. So like you can see, I cannot get in. This is not the problem, like I told you, because you now just go over here, and then we will just here add also some yeah, solder. Wait, here we go, and just go over the cable one time. Okay, have you see that? Just one time. This is fully enough. Just clean, like I have done now. Okay, and now you go here over the scratched contact here. You see that? So here you can scratch it a bit more if you think that the contact is not that clean. So, all right. This looks now a bit dirty, but this gets later a lot better. All right, it should be good. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to clean my solder station. All right. Fuck. So. It smells like shit. Alright. Here we go. Look what I have done. Look at this shit. Yeah. My soldering station. Fuck. Alright, I will need to clean this here because it smells like shit. All right, now we can go here again, and yeah, now you can go here again. All right, and now you can go here again and add again some flux, just a bit. All right, and then you can also just put here on the soldering station just a bit solder. See that? And then you go over the contact, but just take care. Okay, here. All right, you can see now it has another color because this is the solder now. You see that? If you're not sure, you can scratch it a bit also with your solder station, but just take care, okay? Because if it gets too hot, you will damage this contact too. All right, now we're gonna here and just take this cable and just put it over there. Look. All right, just hold it like that, okay? And then you fit this inside and solder it together. Okay, wait. I will now do this because I will need to shut the fuck up and then I can work much better. So, and not to forget, normally I will turn this PCB, but I will just do that like that. So you guys, yeah, will be able to see that better. So just hold it and try to hold this over the contact. Don't move. And then solder it. Okay, I'm in. You can see that? This holds just perfectly. You can now go here and you can try to pull it up again. See that? Perfect. And just to be sure, you can also go again and add some new flux, just to be sure that we can say the solder is really yeah, we can say like new. If you hold your solder station too long over there, the salt will get fucked up. We can say we get too hot, and this should not be like that. So see that? Here you can turn it also, and now I think this is just perfect. Okay. Yeah, and you can move it a bit, you see that? Just to see if it holds really, and I can see it holds very, very nice. And just if it holds like that, you can be sure that this is great. Okay, then you can go over here and just turn it to that side. Okay, this is one of the most hardest thing ever, but on some PlayStations this contact is not that much destroyed like on this PlayStation here. So the other thing, just cut it away. Here we go. And then just try to put this so perfect as you can over there. Yeah, I like it. It can stay like that. So have I forgot something? Yes, I have forgot something. Now we go here to this adapter. You will now need to take these two small contacts out. You go here with the soldering station again. Just hold it a bit. Hope you guys can see that. Yes. Here we go. It's out now. See that? Here. Wait. hear this cook? Look. Now I'm speaking German too. Here we go. I speak English and German at the same time sometimes, yeah. And come on. Here we go. Here's the other one. See, this is the broken ones from the PCB. But now we have made us new contacts. And that's why you should also take care that this stuff is not over here. So take this away. Just to be sure that this will not lie on your motherboard, because some short circuits. Alright, I will now just put this down again. So for the lights it's better, I think. Yep. And now I will go down again a bit. No, I think up it was better. Yeah. Alright, now you can see our contacts, okay? We got this one on the middle, we got the right one, okay? And we got the left one, and we got now this and this. Fix it. So now you just go over here. See that? Yep. And now you just hold first one, yeah, let's say the right side, because it's the most important, because this contact here. Just hold it like that. I will not just turn the PCB to this side so you can see where I will solder again. And now we will just put here a lot solder over here and here. Okay, so wait. Again, for you guys can see, we will put a lot solder here and here. So maybe I will not just put here again, just for me. First the solder, because I'm alone now, I have no assistant here with me. And so I will need to work alone for first. Okay, now we got it. A lot solder on this side, you can see that? Just so fresh and so clean. Now just hold it on this side. Yeah, we need to turn this motherboard. It's really complicated for you, for me to show you this, guys, because I will need to turn this so much that you will be able to see what I have to do here. Alright, now you just take here lots of solder and just do here some soldering ball, we can say. Just take here a lot solder. See that? And be careful. Can you see that? Yeah. All right. And now we go to the other side. And we do this to this side too. Wait. So. This is one of the most important things that you should do first. Otherwise, it will not hold that great. And then it can happen that you break this shit out again, and then it was all done for nothing. Alright, you can see now these contacts now are just so fresh and so clean. So guys, again here, just look, it's really holding. See that? Alright, the other thing is now you can begin now to solder this contact like I told here, okay? And on the right contact here, you will need really to solder fast, because if you take too much time, then the other small cable here will be resoldered again. So here now you will really need to be fast. So all right. Finish. You saw that? You will really need to be fast. Otherwise, this small cable here will jump out again. All right, then you can cool it down and do the left one, or you just do the middle one if the right one is cool. So finish. And now the last one, and finish. This should just look like that. Okay guys, here we can see this is just holding. So great, so great. See that? Perfectly. All right, now you can you can clean it with this stuff if you want, but you don't need. Okay. Yeah, you go here, over here like this one. Just take this one here. So sorry, because I get tired and it's very late, you know. Just you see, put this here inside, and then you can go over here, but you don't need. It's just for you guys can see that this is really clean and it's holding just perfectly, you see. So if it just work bad or shitty, this small cable now will go away because I'm cleaning here, and so if it's not holding that much, then this would get off here. Alright guys, I will now just do a quick pick, so I will put this on my video for you guys can see that. And yeah, I think wait, so it's just great. Oh. Yes, I think yes. Oh, so yeah, and exactly now I will do a pick for you, we can say for the video and for us. Finish. And also maybe what's that stuff here inside? Oh, just dirt. Okay, nothing bad. Come on. All right. Yeah, it's okay. It looks great. And wait, so because of the lights. Oh, it's okay. Okay guys, I have now done some picks and it looks really great. I will not now build this all together and show you if this works or not, because I know that this works. Of course this will work, and you should do this of course like I have done it here. If you don't find these contacts, you can also try to go on the other side of the main board and wait. This contact is here, and sometimes you can also find the contacts lines here. Okay, you just need to look which ball is what, and then you could also solder here a cable, and you just could go down, we can say through the motherboard. No, you can let's say you could solder a cable here and then you go under the motherboard, you see, and then you just turn it again, and then you can go over here and put the cables there. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Sorry for my English like always. The most important thing is that you can see how this works now and how you can fix this stupid problem. And yeah, I hope yeah, I could help some peoples outside there. Like I told, you don't need this stuff here to clean, but yeah, it looks just better because you can clean all the rest of the soldering or solder. And yeah, it's just perfectly. Look at this, okay? I think the pics says all and the video too. Alright guys, wish you the best. NSC in the motherfucking place to be. Peace and a lot thumbs up. Take care guys, and stay tuned on my channel. For the guys that has not subscribed, subscribe here down. And yeah, I wish you the best. NSC in the place to be. Bye bye.